Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today is Thursday. Right now it is Thursday 24th of September, 11:49 p.m. and my flight is on Friday 5:20 a.m. so it's early in the morning, so I'm probably gonna leave for the airport around 2:30 a.m. So I just took a shower and I changed into what I'm going to be wearing at the airport because I didn't want to change again. I wanted to give you guys a little update in my life. So when I'm going back, I'm actually going back to a new place that I have rented with my friend. So she did all the legwork and I'm so grateful for that. She moved my stuff to the new apartment as well. So now I'm renting an apartment with my friend, and I will go into more details about the apartment and give a whole tour of the apartment when I go back and when I get the time and decorate a little bit. Right now I just wanted to give you guys that update, so when I go back it's going to be a new environment. Okay, so this is the stuff that needs to go into here. So these are the 3 bags that I will be carrying on with me. So my suitcase is actually upstairs, which I still have to lock, and yeah, these are the 3 bags that I'm carrying. This is my backpack, which will have my laptop and a few other things, and then this is just my normal bag, and this is my camera bag. For those of you guys who don't know, I have started filming with my camera to give you guys a little bit more better quality, and so I'm taking my camera with me, so I'm gonna have an extra bag to carry, which is kind of a bummer, but it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. So this is the tripod for my big camera that I have to fit in this bag, because if I had put this in my suitcase, it would have broken. So I'm gonna figure that out afterwards. But I wanted to show you guys that this is an adapter that I'm taking with me. For those of you guys who are thinking of going to Turkey, and this is just a tip for you, Turkey has these kind of sockets only. So this is an adapter that I'm taking for my laptop charger. So this is a tip for you if you guys have different kind of chargers. But yeah, this is important. So I'm gonna go now and just chill with my family for a while. We're gonna leave for the airport around 2:30 a.m. So I will try to film a little bit when I am in the airport. I won't film when I'm going in the airport because it's really crowded then. But when I'm through and through all the stuff that you have to do to go in and wait for your flight, I will try to film then. I will see you guys in the airport. Hi guys, so it is Saturday 26th of September today. I am sorry I didn't film anything yesterday. I do have some clips that I can put in this video, but there isn't much because I was really tired. I'm even tired right now because I woke up feeling really tired and I couldn't move. But it's currently 1 p.m. I woke up around like 11, I would say, and I had breakfast with my roommate, who is also my friend, and now we're just going to go to the market and we have to get some stuff. We have to get the most important, we have to get the keys copies made because there's only one and I needed two, and I have to get a bunch of stuff like a laundry basket, a pillow, and an extension. That is most important. There are also some other stuff that I have to get, but I can do that later, but we'll see. After that, I have to go to my previous apartment and get a few stuff that's still there and give the keys back to the woman I was renting from, and after that I'm gonna meet my friend around 5 or 6, I would say. I'm not sure when, but that is the plan for today, and I'm gonna end this video by the end of this day, so there's enough footage for me to make a whole video. I'm so sorry that I'm the worst at vlogging, but I hope you guys enjoy this day and I hope that I start feeling a bit better. I did have some painkillers, but we will see. And now I'm just gonna get ready and I will see you guys after. Hi guys, so I just came back. It is 3:41 p.m. I still have to go back. I didn't go to the apartment yet, to my previous apartment, but I did get some stuff that I had to get, and I will show that to you guys. So first is this big bag of a pillow. It's just one pillow. It's like this. It's really soft. So in my room there's only one pillow, so I had to get another one because I need 2 pillows. But so I got this one and it's really soft and I'm really excited to see how I sleep with it. And I have this bag of stuff. Let me show you guys. Okay, so basically I haven't shown you guys the apartment yet or my room, which I will soon, because I haven't yet, because right now it's just very bare minimum and I really want to decorate it a little bit before I show it to you guys. You will see the room or the apartment in my vlogs till I show it to you guys, which will be after maybe a few days, maybe a few weeks, because I really want to be at a point where I really like it and have decorated it to my liking before showing it to you guys. So for my room, my closet, it's really big and I can fit a lot of things in it. So I wanted to get like organizers so that it's easy for me to like for example, I'm thinking of putting my like school stuff or like my perfumes and stuff inside as well, because I really don't want to clutter my room, which was very cluttered like before because I didn't really have any place to put things. So I got these two things. They're both the same things, but you can stack them like on one another. So basically it is like this. I don't know if you can see it properly, but you can like these open and then you can stack both of these like this, and then that's how I'm going to store, I don't know what, but I'm going to store something with this, and it's going to be really helpful for my closet and just organizing and stuff. After that, I got this is an extension. So in my room there's only one socket, which is on the opposite side of my bed, so I need to have an extension beside my bed, especially if I'm want to watch something at night in my room. I would really like an extension, so I got this one, and it is 2 meters long. I hope that it's enough, because first he showed me like a 5 meter long one, but it was expensive and I was like, just give me, this was the like 2 meter was the least meter that they had, so this was less expensive, so I got this one. After that I didn't get any like organization stuff, but I did get some painting stuff, because I want to like fill my room, and this is something that me and my roommate actually love doing, which is painting, and we have decided to like fill the apartment with our painting. So I have paint brushes, and which I got brought back for me from Pakistan, but I don't have paints, so I got acrylic paints, these ones. They are, I hope they're nice. They weren't super expensive, like as expensive like paints are, so hopefully these were like the least expensive pack of acrylic paints that they had. It was such a cute art shop. I'm sorry I didn't film anything, but I am just super tired today and I don't want to film in public, and that is something that I am going to do from now on, but I'm just too tired today, so I didn't do that. This is just a pack of like palettes. So these are like sheets. All of these are sheets that you can use as palettes, and then you can just throw them away. And this was really less expensive than like palettes, and I can get a lot of uses even out of one, and these are a lot, so that's why I got this one. And then I got this sketch pad, which was really inexpensive as well, because sketch pads are really expensive, but this is just like a brown paper, and you can paint anything on like these kind of papers, and it's really nice. So I got this one, and they have a lot of papers, and I got this one because I'm most probably all the paintings that I'm going to do for my room and for the apartment will be in this sketch pad. So that is my haul for right now. I will relax for a while now and see what my last roommate says when can I come and get my things, because I really have to get them to organize completely like my room. I'm gonna wait for that, and I'm probably gonna make myself a cup of tea, and after that I am going to go for food with my friend. So I'm gonna actually ask her as well and talk with her what is our plan. So my friend is coming over now, because previous roommate landlady said that I can't come for a few hours because she's out of the city or whatever, so I'm gonna go there till like 6 or 7. So my friend is coming over because I'm really tired and I don't want to go out, and I have to get the things as well, so I don't want to take too many trips. And I am just going to chill with my friend, and we're probably going to eat something and just catch up. So I don't think I'm going to be filming that, but I will see you guys after she's gone and give you guys an update of what's happening. So it's 11:23 p.m. I think, and my friend just left. It was really nice catching up with her after so long, and now I am so tired, but I'm gonna edit this tonight and talk with my family, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And I'm sorry that this wasn't with as much content as you hoped, but I will try to get better as I keep filming, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.